Thank you for joining Pioneer Library System. My name is Angel. In my video today, we'll focus on the early literacy skill of letter recognition, along with some great fine motor skill activities. So the first activity that we're going to do today, I've written A is for Angel on a piece of paper, and you can give your child some stickers, just plain stickers, and taking those off of the sheet gives them some fine motor activity. Or you can give them some buttons or rocks, beans, anything, cereal, anything that you have around the house, and they can take those and just lay it over the letter and just practice outlining that letter of the alphabet. So I don't know if you can see that in the video. They're just going to take anything that you have and put it on the letter. And then the next activity I've taken some salt and put it in a shallow tray of some sort. You can use like a baking pan, just give a little shallow layer of salt, and we put salt in there. And you can give them some letter cards. You can print those off the internet or just write the letter on a piece of paper and give it to them. And I've got the whole alphabet here, and they can just practice with their finger writing in the salt. Kids love to do this. It's a little sensory activity for them. You can also give them a pencil and have them write in the salt. And my next activity, I put the letter S on a piece of paper, and I'm going to take just some strips of construction paper or cardstock and cut it into strips, and then you let them tear. And they love to tear and tear off some squares or some pieces and put it on the letter. You can give them some glue, let them practice putting little dabs of glue and put it on the letter, or just have them put the little pieces of paper on the letter. That's another activity that they can do. For this next activity, I've just written a word on a piece of paper. So I wrote the word apple. Give your child a little bit of paint and some Q-tips and let them practice outlining those letters with just dabs of paint on the Q-tip. And this is a lot of fun for kids. A quick tip that we do in story time, you don't need an apron or a smock. If you have some press and seal in your cupboard, you can just cover their clothes with press and seal paper. We love to do that in story time. So look something like that, and they can just practice their fine motor skills and their letter recognition with Q-tips and paint. Right, now the next thing we're gonna do, I've got a toilet paper tube, or you can use the paper towel tube. Write your lowercase letters on the tube, and then write the uppercase on a sheet of stickers. And then they just take those stickers and try and match up the letters. So we've got A there and M there, and then they just kind of do a little scavenger hunt and find their letters. And then the last thing that we have is shaving cream. Shaving cream is lots of fun for kids, little sensory activity for them. And just take any type of shaving foam and just put it on your table. Just put it straight on your table. And the kids love to play in it. It's nice and messy, but cleans right up. And it actually smells great, and it'll leave your table nice and clean and fresh too. So they can practice writing their letters in the shaving cream, like so. There's my A. So I hope you enjoy these fine motor skill activities, and I hope that you can do them with your young child at home. Kids of any age would love these activities, and it's great practice for them. Thanks for joining us.